Hello.
Hi, is this Tasya?
Who is this?
This is Michael with Hyundai of Asheville. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I saw that you put an inquiry for a used vehicle. Thank you for that. And what got you in the market for a vehicle?
I'm just looking around.
Just looking around? What kind of vehicle are you looking for? SUV, sedan?
SUV.
SUV?
Yes.
All right. Any features that you're looking for, like all-wheel drive, leather seats?
All-wheel drive and the leather seats.
Oh, gotcha. And heated seats?
Yeah.
Cool. Heated seats and any other features that you might be looking for?
A sunroof.
A sunroof? Okay.
Yes.
Cool. And Tasya, let me ask you, do you have any a trade-in by any chance?
I do not.
You do not? Okay. Gotcha. And what are you looking to pay up to?
Not really sure.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. I mean, I guess like for monthly, if you're financing, what would it be in your budget?
Nothing over $550.
Nothing over $550. Okay, that's reasonable. Yeah, I have some great options for you. Why don't you come by tomorrow?
I might be able to.
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause
I have a question. Do you guys have any Palisades, is it?
Yeah, we do actually.
Do you have any used ones? Because I didn't see any of them on your website.
No, not at the moment, no.
Okay.
Yeah. But is that what you're looking for, some third row?
Yes. Or just an SUV that has space. A lot of
You just
space.
need the space.
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, I got great options for you here. Yeah, if you can come by tomorrow, what morning or afternoon works best for you?
Probably the afternoon.
The afternoon?
Yes.
Yeah. So, does 3 o'clock sound good for you?
Yes.
3 o'clock?
Yes.
All right. I'll put you at 3:15 so I can give you some time to get here.
Okay.
All right, Tasya. Well, I'll see you then.
All right. Thank you.
And do you need the address to the dealership?
I actually have it.
Yeah. Okay. Great.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, no problem. All right, Tasya. I'll see you then.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you.